Uh, Hello and welcome to my channel Java by MK. So this is a continue of the previous video. In the previous video, I discussed how we can find whether we can able to reach the last index if the value of that but any particular index is number of jumps they can make. Though so in this problem you can see this is one number 2412311 here. Every position is basically number of jumps they can make. Suppose and the zeroth index is 2, so it can make jump up to 2. It can make one jump, or it maximum it can make two jump. Similarly, the first index 4, they can make 4 jump. Maximum 4 jump means 1 2 3, so maximum it can reach 3. And then 1 it can make one jump only. So we have to find minimum number of jumps required to reach the last index. For example, in this example you can see there are multiple ways we can reach the last index. First is, if we start from 2, we can make one jump to reach the 2 or to reach the 4. And from 4, if we reach 3, then from 3 it will take one jump, means total 3 jumps. From the dry run we can see that 3 jumps are required to reach the last index. So we will use the grid algorithm here. So let's get started. What we are going to do here, so we from the first index, we will from the zeroth index we will means from zeroth index, if we see that 4 and 1 is the coverage, means minimum it can reach 4 and maximum it can reach 1, means minimum it can reach first index and or maximum it can reach second index. So that means the coverage is there. And again we can see when it reach 4, the coverage becomes 1 2 3, means up to 3 it can reach. Okay, so like this. So let's assume coverage as 0 initially, and the jump last jump index as 0. And let's take destination as nums dot length -1. Okay, so this will be the final destination that this we have to make, right? So let's start the loop. Okay, so now we have to find out that coverage, what will be the coverage. So coverage, you will see that in the first position the coverage is suppose is 2. Okay, so uh, that means 2 will be the coverage in the zeroth index. Means initially we have considered 0 as the coverage, but in the zeroth index we can what will be the coverage up to 2, means 0 1 2, up to this level, means up to here. Okay, but when it comes to 4, the coverage will be updated as 4 because it can go to this point, right? So basically I will write down what, then it will be clear to everyone. Okay, see, so coverage will be the first parameter, and I plus nums I will be the second parameter. So in the first scenario you can see the coverage will be updated as 2, 0 being I and nums being 2. Okay, so now we will see that if I is equal to last jump index, then let's update last in jump index as coverage only. Okay, now let's also consider total jump as 0. Okay, so now you will see that we will update total jump. Okay, now we will see that if coverage will be greater than or equal to destination, then we will return total jumps. Okay, or at the end I will debug the problem, it will be more clear to everyone. Now you will see that if not, then return total jump. Okay, so this is done. I will dry run the program. Okay, now see, initially coverage is 0, last jump index is 0, destination is 7, total jump is 0, first coverage will be updated as 2, and I right now is equal to last jump index only. So we will update last jump index as 2 only, and we will update total jump. That means we have already made the first jump. Okay, and now coverage is greater than or equal to destination, no, so it will go ahead, and now it will check uh, I plus num of I, 4 plus 1 5, so coverage will be updated as 5. So that means uh, again we will see that coverage right now will is remained same, 5 only, not updated, and I right now is 2, and last jump index is also 2. So that means we already made the first coverage clear. So we will update the last jump index as 5, and we will update total jump as 2. Now going ahead, we will see the coverage remained 5 only, and I right now is 3, and last jump index is 5. So again coverage has updated now as 7, you can see. So I right still is 4, and last jump index is 5. So it will go ahead. Now coverage is still remained 7, and I now become last jump index. So we will update last jump index as 7, and now coverage has become equal to destination. So we will return the destination. You can see total jumps is equal to 3. So thank you for watching.